It will be as the Department of Mechatronics Engineering at West College of Technology. So today we are going to see about the topic K-map minimization for the product of some function. So in previous session we have seen about the K-map minimization for the SOP function. So about the what is the K-map, what are the different variable different representations are there, and what is the steps involved in the K-map simplification, and then this is the SOP form for 3 variable came up and then 4 variables came up. So today we are going to see about the POS form. So for this POS form, we have to use the max term. So in the problem itself, we are using the pi value. So in previous we had used the summation, and here we are using the pi value. This represents the max term, that is the product of sum. So this is for 3 variable k map. The problem is PQR, the max terms are 0, 3, 6, 7. So here 3 variable k map pictorial representation, and here we can fill the max term values in the each cell respective to the that numbers 0 and then 3 and then 6 and then 7. So here we don't have the octet grouping, and then we are also don't having the quad grouping. So only we can pair itself. So here the options are here this pair and then this pair. So this is the pairing option. Another 0 is left over there. So here for this POS function, we are using the we are multiplying all the groups. So this is group 1, and then this is group 2. Okay, so we take it as group 3. So these groups were multiplied by the terms. So like this 2 groups, we can see that like these having 1 and 1, that is P plus Q. 1 and 1, we mentioned the complement, that is P bar plus Q bar here. For this group 2, we are having the 1, that is value. Here 1, 0 complement, and then we are having the P bar plus R bar. And then here we are having only one function. All functions are 0, that is we are using P plus Q plus R. So this is a third group. Okay, so this is the POS form for 3 variable k. So next, for this 4 variable map of the max term, that is previous form is given here. The problem is 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are the max terms which is to be filled in this each cell represents the numbers. So here we are filled, there is no octet and quad options are there. So we are moving to the pair function. So here we are pairing this and this values. So we can also pair this like this, but already it is paired. So that's why we are neglect this pairing function. Here also we are having the 4 number of groups. So we have to multiply all the groups. Group 1, group 2, group 3, and then group 4. So here we get calculate the rows plus columns. So row value and then 2 column value. If the function is like 0s and 1, we can neglect that one. Common function are added here. So likewise, we are getting the simplified function of this Boolean expression in the POS form as R plus S bar plus Q bar, and then R bar plus S bar plus A, and then P bar plus R bar R plus S, and P bar plus Q R. So these are all the output function of this 4 variable k. Okay. So this is about POS form. So in previous class we have seen about the SOP form. So this is the difference between the cell assignment of this values, min term or max term. Okay. So the main advantages and disadvantages of this K-map minimization technique is, so we take advantages like makes logic simpler, and then minimize the logic gates, reduce errors, time saving, no need for Boolean loss. So the main advantages in this K-map is there is no Boolean loss, properties and theorems are used here. No need of these functions. So it is a very easy minimization technique. Okay. and then it reduces the time and speed of this function and it's very less number of logic gates. So these are all the advantages. The main disadvantage is it is having to be limited to fewer variables. Like up to the four variables only we have to use. After 5, 6, 7, it is quite difficult for the KMF simplification. So this is not suitable for all the functions. So this is requires a space limitations. That's why we are moving to the Queen-Michael-Scheme method. So it requires the careful grouping. So if mistake grouping like we have only grouping of 2, 4, 8 likewise. There is no grouping of 3, 5 likewise. So that is we have to very careful in that grouping. So this is the main advantage and disadvantages of this KMF minimization. So these are some MCQs for assisting the students for the KMF understanding. So these are the reference we are taking this material for the PPT. Thank you.